All right, so Kyle and I were talking earlier today, and he said, hey, that temp gauge reads awfully high. So you can see right now it's probably close to 240. I'm going to call that 235 on the temp gauge. But we go up here with the old laser. And we're 200 on the tank on the driver's side for the upper hose. We are right next to the temp sender. We are 206. And the tank on the other side, 192. And down there at the lower hose, 191. So, temp gauge is reading about 30 degrees high. But I'm gonna go drive it real quick. I'm gonna go around the block, get that thing to get warm. Xander, you hang tight and be ready. And we will double check. As you can see, maybe, it is way in the red on the gauge. I just drove around the block about 8 times. We're gonna get out and check what temperatures are with the laser under the hood and see how far off the gauge actually. All right, so at the sensor, get on the housing, 218, whereas the gauge says 255. Get the side of the thing. 185, 175, whatever. Get it right here. 211. Okay, that just tells me right now that gauge is way off. Alrighty.